Launching their own version of a holiday tradition, people make sure their family has fireworks on the 4th. Good evening. With no public displays of fireworks, many people are buying their own to celebrate the 4th of July. Chelsea Swift joins us now in the studio after speaking with fireworks store owners about what sales have been like leading up to the big holiday weekend. The story is new at 10. Chelsea?
Hi, Sean. One sales associate at Big Woodie's saying today alone the store saw over 300 customers, people preparing for the holiday.
The 4th of July looking a little different this year with no public firework displays. People are buying their own.
With COVID going on and 2020 as a year in the whole so far has just been really just a bad year. So people are really looking for something to do, and fireworks are a great outlet.
One sales associate from Big Woodie's saying there's been an increase in fireworks sales this summer.
Definitely seen a major increase in sales from years before. Today alone we're surpassing last year's 4th.
Fireworks store employees saying that they're seeing a lot of first-time firework users, instructing them to be cautious, making sure you're at least 150 feet away from occupied buildings and cars.
First-time fireworks users are coming out because no public displays. I think they are getting bored at home, and it's just a fun way to, really at our store, inexpensively if you want to, just do something fun for the family.
One customer saying he's keeping up a tradition, lighting up fireworks with his family on the 4th of July.
We usually do it. I got 4 kids, so we like to light up the block and have a good time. We usually go to Ohio, but with the fireworks in PA now, it's convenient for us to come down here and grab them.
And as a reminder, using fireworks is illegal in the city of Erie. Sean?
Chelsea Swift reporting. Thank you, Chelsea.